Hello plums. So we're going to be making some graphs out of our data. So the first thing we're going to need is squared paper here. That will be on your sheet that you're going to get given today. And then we're going to have to draw on our axes. Now this is the y-axis, I remember, because y goes up to the sky. And this is the x-axis, and that is because x is across like that, but it also goes across the page as well, which is quite handy to remember. So first things first, I need to know what this graph is showing. So this graph is going to be showing how many females there are in each class. So I'm going to say number of females in year 4. Okay, I'm going to underline that because it's a title, and I'll put that right there. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to have palm class just there. I'm going to whack them there, so that is where palm class are going to live. I'm going to have pear class just here. I'll do the same for the other two classes as well. The palm, pear, pine, and then the best class. Just there. So I've got the classes down here. Now I need the numbers. So the numbers go from the highest number of females we've got in one class is 15. So what I'll do is I'll probably start with 0, and then I'm not going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, because I don't really have that much room. So I might go up in 2s. So what I will do is I will start with 0 down here, and then I'll go 2, and then I'll go 4. So I'm going up in 2s, basically to save a bit of space. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now remember, there's 15 girls, which is the most, so I can't stop at 14, so I'm going to go up to 16. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a bar graph. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to work out how many girls there are in palm class. Now if I look at my table from yesterday, which is over here, there are 15. So here we go. I'm going to start at 0 for palm class and go up to 15. So 15 should be between 14 and 16, just like that. Okay, then for pear class there are 13. So again, start at 0, make sure I'm above pear class, up to 13, there it is. 13 again for pine class. And then the best class has 15 in it also. There we go, start above plum, 15, there we go. So that is the first one done. So I can now see very, very clearly that plum and palm have more than pear and pine. And if I want to, I can even make them look nice and different colours and stuff like that as well. Let's give that one a sort of mustardy yellow. We'll give this one blue, and then we'll give the best class green. There you go, so that's our first one done. All sorted. See you later. Bye.